What's up, you guys? It's your girl African Radiance coming to you with another video. So today I shall be doing jumbo rope twists. I don't really think they'll be like super jumbo. They'll probably be like medium length. I'll decide later when I start. I dyed my hair. I have to do something to the hair. I've been, letting it breathe for a little bit, but now it's time that I get this thing. Should happen. I got my nails on, but I can still do a little something with them. So I'm going to take you guys through the process. I have some Gorilla Snot here, some white rope, scissors, and rat tail comb. The hair that I'm using is Jamaica braid. This one is in color 350. And then I have some hair here, which is kind of like brown. I forgot the name of the hair, sorry. Regular braiding hair as well, which is silky. I will be cutting the hair in half. That's why I didn't get as many packs as I would normally do. I'm doing my jumbo rope twist. Before I begin, please guys, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have any questions. Share this with your friends, you guys. Okay guys, follow me on Instagram at african.radiance, add me on Snapchat at belle.beauty, and also follow me on my Twitter at goldengalore. Let's go ahead and get into this shit video. Be proud of your pussy here. So right now I'm just going to park it. I was planning on flat ironing my hair, but I'm in this place right now where I really don't want to do that. Like at this point, I really just don't want to put too much heat on my hair. It's not all that easy, especially when you're dealing with a hair like this. With a hair like this, honey. I did not include this in the beginning, but I am using rubber bands for my hair, but for one to keep my the twist falling out or whatever, what have you, And also, sometimes with rope twists, you end up tugging on the hair a little hard. So with the rubber bands, they will, keep me from doing too much tugging. Also have some beeswax. I will be using this. This is probably what I will be using for like the base to just make it look good. Start this bad boy off. This is how thick they're going to be. I'm just gonna walk you guys through basically what I'm going to be doing. Anyways, I'm just gonna use this top to put. Oh, this Gorilla Snot green. It looks like. This one actually looks like Gorilla Snot. Taking some beeswax. And I'm just going to basically do that. If you have seen my last video, you know that my rubber band method is taking a piece of hair, parking my hair to one small section, and I split it like this. Go right here and just put it there. Squeeze it down the rubber band. And secure that bad boy. Oops, still stringy like always. At least I know that. And then I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna twist that bad boy. I'm not going to be going all the way up with these, all the way down. When it comes to this part, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this because it's kind of getting in the way and I know where I'm stopping. So I kind of don't really need it anymore. I'm not super crazy about the back of my head. So if it doesn't turn out the way I want to. I'm not gonna go crazy over it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna get a little closer. This is where the rubber band is. I'm gonna cut like literally like a tiny bit under that. Just like that. With this, if you're not satisfied, you can literally just pull the rubber band off. I just wanted to show you guys how it works. You can literally leave it like this simply because that rubber band is pretty much secure enough. But if you feel like the rubber band is gonna pop, you literally just, and you, just like that. You don't have to do a full, burn on it. I just wanted to show you guys the steps to do it. So yeah, see you guys when after this hair is done. Okay, it is currently the next day. I could not finish last night, but this is the process right now. I'm going to end up, cutting them or whatever, but I thought it would be easier and faster to just do on my way to the end and then do my little snipping or whatever. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm just like bobbing this thing out. Okay, you guys, this is it. I still have to like do something to my ends, but this is your girl. This is my first time doing this, like I said, so she's only gonna get better. But I like it. I didn't do my edges cut, but I just put my jewelry in and whatnot. Did my string. That's pretty much what I'm working with right now, you guys. I actually love it. I feel slayed to the gods. Yes. But yes, that's pretty much it. I did not burn my ends yet. I will later because I don't want them looking like, tacky like this one. So yes, I will end up burning my ends, but everything looks and just feel good. I did dip them, so now as you see, they don't look like stiff or whatever, and they're. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, you guys, and please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Be easy, boo.